guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing some speed cleaning. I have some laundry to get to. I need to clean up the kids' room. The place is a little bit of a mess. A little breakfast nook there. Still has food on the table. I hope you enjoy. I hope this gives you some motivation. Drop some comments below. Thank you.
Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Do I ever let go? Let go of the days I wish we had. Stop crying over things I can't take back. Not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head. Wishing you the best of life instead. Well, not yet. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. You, oh you, I keep wishing and wishing we'll end up together. You, oh you, I keep wishing and wishing and wishing.
I do laundry almost every day. I don't really need to. I have one bin that I throw everything in. For the kids and ourselves actually, and when that's usually full I do a load, which turns out to be every day, every other day, but lately it's just all gotten away from me and I am flooded.
Don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Oh no.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found.
My 3-year-old is still falling off the bed every once in a while. He's doing so good, but every once in a while, before we put that toddler bed underneath his bed, when he goes to bed we pull that out, obviously. We would hear just a random thump, and believe it or not, guys, he sleeps through it. He will fall on the floor, and I feel so bad, but he actually sleeps through it and will sleep on the floor if we don't pick him up and put him back in bed.
Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better.
I feel like, is it worth my time picking up the same toys over and over and over again every single week? I guess it is, because the room needs to be cleaned. But today, actually need to filter through some of these toys. They got toys for Christmas. and now we're a little bit overflowing here. They spend this time in this toy room quite a bit. So what I do typically is I store all of their extra toys in plastic bins, and then I will rotate them out eventually so that, you know, all those old toys become new toys, and then when they grow out of them, I donate them.
I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Think about you all the time. You got me loose. My heart was troubled, now I'm fine. Ooh, sky is blue, the snow is gone now from the streets. Oh, so soon we'll be blessed with summertime. Do you hear the blackbird? Do you feel it in you? Must be feeling something. Maybe it's the thrill of the spring.
I really needed to get underneath my couch. My husband had pushed the couch forward for me before I started filming, and I was lucky enough to get him to take the kids for a ride for a little while I could get the house cleaned up. But that's what I'm doing here. I am Swiffering. That's actually a Norwex mop, and it has a great attachment for dusting. I use it all the time in place of a broom. And then I just need to clean up the rest of what lingers underneath our couch.
Doubt is gone up from my mind. Maybe soon I'll have your body up on mine. Do you hear the blackbird? Do you feel it in you? Must be feeling something. Maybe it's the thrill of the spring. Maybe it's a love thing. Do you hear the blackbird? Do you feel it in you? Must be feeling something. Maybe it's the thrill of the spring. Maybe it's a love thing. Do you hear that? Do you hear? Do you hear? Do you hear? Do you hear that? Do you hear the blackbird? Do you feel it in you? Must be feeling something. Maybe it's the thrill of the spring. Maybe it's a love thing. Do you hear the blackbird? Do you feel it in you? Must be
This is about the time my kids came back from their ride, and they're actually still in their pajamas, so that's like on my next thing to do, get the kids dressed. But yeah, they love being involved, and I figured why not show that. My 4-year-old is here asking me, what am I doing, and if he can help.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. Eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on
And that's all for today, folks. Thank you so much for watching. Again, please subscribe, like my video if you want to see more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts.